we will be eating these. It says America's #1 quiche. It says made with fresh eggs and milk. I just have to practice saying it. Quiche. They look good. Let's get started. Come on, sit down. Okay, my rose petal tea. See the rose buds? Yeah. Quiche. I don't know how you eat yours. I just take mine in my hand, or I guess I could try and cut it like this. It's actually pretty neat. I think I do it like that. Now, let's eat it like this today. I'm just gonna eat it like this. I have to imagine that I'm in France somewhere. In the beautiful countryside. Peaceful. And delicious. I would definitely say they're delicious. Yummy.